G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial we are going to look at creating a pop-out, and for this one I'm going to be using an image I created in AI. So we'll come over here, look for the circle frame. So I've used this just before, or you can come down to frames, select all and go to the basic shapes, and there's the circle frame. So we'll insert that into the design. We'll increase the size of the frame slightly, line it up through the center there, and then we'll come over to wherever your image might be. So I'm going to use this one. So basically we'll just duplicate that, bring that up here, and what we're going to do is insert that into the frame. So the way that I found is easiest for me to line up the images is to bring in the rulers to the design. So I'm just going to bring a top ruler and a bottom ruler, place them there. Then I'll double click on the image in the frame and I'll expand it out to that top ruler, making sure it lines up with the bottom one. But what you can do is drag and just realign the image. Okay, there we go. Okay, then press done or click out of the frame. And what we want to do is click on the other image that we duplicated, go to edit photo, background remover, and then once the background has been removed, make sure the tick is up in this little window, else you can muck the actual image up. And we'll drag that down, line it up with the bottom ruler, line this up with the top ruler. Then what we want to do is line this image up with the one inside the circle. So we'll be using our control key for this one. So we'll drag that over. Okay. And then lining that up there. That's pretty much about what we need to do. We'll just increase the size of the screen here for a sec and double check that we're all lined up properly. And what you're looking for, see this here, that means it's not quite lined up, so we'll just use our arrow keys and move it over, just double checking there. Alright, that looks almost, I'll move that down slightly. Alright, just checking around the other parts of the image. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Alright, so there you have it, an image within a frame using an AI generated character. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.